everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to talk about some last minute gifts for mom that I got from Target. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and like this video as well. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. If you are interested in our vlog channel, movie review channel, or my husband's podcast, you can find that all down in the description. So let's get into it. Okay, so for me, I am totally last minute on finding something for my mom. I've been debating and thinking and just going over what to get her, and I've got her so many things over the last few years for Mother's Day. I kind of don't want to do the same thing, so I decided to get something small for her for now, and then I will get something big for her later. So everything you see here came right from Target, and I will link all of these below, so if you want to order them or go pick them up yourself, you know exactly what they are. So initially when I walked in, they didn't have a lot of Mother's Day items still available in the dollar section, but I did find this cute little pouch, or it's like a makeup pouch, but they just call it a zipper pouch. She could put makeup in it. She could put her medicine in it when she's on the go. This was only $3, which is really good. And it also has this cute little tassel on it, which I love. And it's very soft. I was able to snag this really delicate looking Mother's Day card. It says, "To a beautiful mother." I did write inside, however this is blank. It did come with the envelope, and this was actually only $1. So I was walking around just looking for things that I hadn't gotten her, and I saw this Method body wash collection, and I thought this would be really amazing since everything is natural in here, and she loves body wash. I haven't smelled them, but I'm pretty sure they smell great because they look great. And this was actually only $5.99. And the last thing I got mom was this cute little mug. It says "Best Mom Ever." They did have several different ones with different sayings on them, but I like this one. It kind of goes with the theme of everything else I got, since the card is pink, the pouch is pink, and it just kind of flows and matches also with the body wash. And this was actually only $4.99. So I'm going to put all these things in a cute little gift bag and ship them to her, or I'll decorate a box and then ship them to her. Because she doesn't live that close to me, I will have to ship everything. But if your mom lives close and you have the time and you still haven't gotten mom anything for Mother's Day yet, these are some really cute items that you can find for mom. I really love everything. So I know this video is short. However, I am really sick today, guys. So I just wanted to show you a last minute gift ideas that I got mom that are really inexpensive, doesn't cost a lot of money, especially if you have a mom that has everything and you kind of don't know what to get her. These are some cute little things that will go well for mom. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Again, sorry it's so short, but I don't want to leave you guys hanging like I did last week. And if you watch my vlog, you know I took a break for mental health reasons. I've been really struggling lately, so there are going to be moments where I have to take a break, and I apologize in advance. But I would try my best to get videos up when I can. So with that being said, make sure you are subscribed. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you like this video. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram. If you want to follow my vlogs, those are linked below, as well as the link to me and Greg's movie review channel and the link to his podcast. And I will see you all next time. Bye.